Hello all of you. How are you? It's the second part of the endowment of nature. Okay, the first chapter of geography, class 8. Okay, the resources and its classification we are going to discuss here. As in the first video, I have told you resources are basically the objects. Okay, objects in the environment which are needed for everyone, which are needed by everyone, okay, and useful to each and everyone who is ever there in the universe, especially for the human beings, animals. We're talking about the living beings, right? So resources fulfills our daily requirements. Okay, we have discussed already, and so many things we are using on the regular basis, other resources, or using the different kind of resources. Clear? So it's a better to we go further now. It's a classification we are going to discuss in this chapter. Okay, all of you. Now the first classification is we can actually discuss the classification on the basis of the origin. Okay, the first origin, how and where the resources is originated. Okay, we are having two, the biotic and abiotic resources. On the basis of the origin, we can divide the all the resources into two parts, biotic and abiotic. Biotic, bio means life. Those resources which have life are called biotic resources. Okay, and those who do not possess life, who do not have life. Okay, do not have life. Okay, for example, human beings above all. Okay, animals, all other animals, plants, aquatic life. Okay, everyone, those who are living. Do not have life like water, land, sunlight, temperature, okay, minerals, coal, petroleum, protection, others, everything which is having no life. They are considered as abiotic resources. Clear? Biotic and abiotic resources. Two important resources are there. For the classification of the resources on the basis of their origin, or its origin, or we can say their origin. Clear? Now, another form or another classification is based on the utility of. Okay. First one is the renewable resources. Another ones are the non-renewable resources, which can be renewed or recycled. Which can be renewed or recycled. Those resources are called renewable resources. Okay. For example, so many things are there which can be recycled. Like iron can be recycled easily, water can be recycled. Okay, there is sunlight. It's not recycled, but yes, definitely abundance of the renewables, because every time that chemical process is taking place on the sun, okay, it's renewable is taking place. Non-renewable resources, especially the natural resources, or we can say the mineral resources. Most of the mineral resources, petroleum and coal. These are the two important resources which are not renewed. Okay, after use, okay, petrol. We are having petrol in car. After using, can we renew that petrol again? Okay, that will disappear. Okay, kind of resources are called non-renewable resources, or the resources which cannot be renewed. Okay. So these are the non-renewable resources. Now we come into the third one, based on the level of the development. Here we are classifying into two only. In class 10, the classification is actually 4. We're not going to discuss about that. Okay. Potential resources and actual resources. Potential and actual. Actually, potential resources are those resources which we are having or the country has potential. Yes, the resources are available, but we are unable to get these resources. We are unable to get these resources due to the lack of technology, we can say. Clear? Due to the lack of technology. Potential resources still available. Examples. Now you can understand it. Sun or solar energy. This is sunlight. Wind energy. Lots of wind is available in Gujarat, Rajasthan, and some other parts of, even in the western Uttar Pradesh as well. Lots of blues are available here. Okay, we can understand easily. These are available but unable to get due to the lack of technology. Clear? Actually, the resources which have been surveyed. सर्वे हो चुका है इसका. How much availability is there? We know the availability of these. Okay, for how much time these will be available for us? Time means everything we know about. Okay, and still we are using such resources. Okay. For example, we know about the alluvial soil. How much alluvial soil is available in the country? How much coal is available in the country? Okay, till the last survey. How much petroleum products are available in the country? So many things. We can understand easily the actual resources. There is a Damodar coal field. We can easily understand how much coal is left out there. Damodar coal field. Okay, so we can understand. There is a oil fields in Assam as well. We can understand how much. Okay, that is already been surveyed. So we can easily understand. Okay, so we actually know about. Therefore, these are called actual resources. Okay. Now, based on the distribution, the fourth one, local resources and the ubiquitous resources. Local resources and the ubiquitous resources. Local means present locally, which are available locally. For example, which are present specific places like minerals, especially minerals. Okay, basically found in the plateau regions. Petroleum products, very specific regions are there for the petroleum products as well. Coal, again the specific regions. A specific region means the local places, little bit. Okay, तो पूरा देश भर में नहीं है, कुछ जगहों पर है. Okay, these kind of resources are called local resources. Ubiquitous, found everywhere. Found everywhere. Like air, sunlight, water. Okay. Yes, scarcity of water is there, but definitely be found in any form. It may be a polluted water, it may be water in the drainage, but definitely the water will be there. Okay. And then the last classification is based on the ownership. Who actually owns such resources? Individual resources like a plot of land, car, okay, to house. These are the resources which can be owned by a single person, by an individual. Individual resources. Community, owned by the community. For example, parks in the colony, okay, marriage halls can be used, especially the government marriage halls. Okay, government hospitals, schools, I'm talking about the government schools, remember. So these are owned by the pupils. Okay, owned by the community. Picnic spots also there. Picnic spots. Barat in rural areas especially. Barat, जहाँ पे बारात basically ठहरती है. That place is called Barat. Community halls in urban areas. So many examples are there which are owned by the community. Clear? Nation owned by any country. How much petrol we are having in our country? We are the owners. Okay. How much agriculture we are having? Again, we are the owners. Okay. No one can interfere in our resources who are available within the country. Rivers, minerals available in country definitely will be owned by that particular country. Clear? And the last one, international resources. Okay. For example, say India is here. Sorry. Here, coastal region are here. Okay. Take 12 miles, 12 nautical miles. It is owned by that particular country. These are the national resources. But after that, the resources are available for all. Clear? It becomes international resources which are controlled by the international organizations. If you want to get them, you have to take the permission for these international organizations. For example, regarding the trade, okay, you want to use the maritime facilities beyond your boundary area, then you have to take the permission from the international organizations, so many other organizations are available in the world. Okay. So this is all about the resources and its classification. Okay, we will meet in the next class. Thank you very much.